Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am present with lecture number 2 for class 6, Amazing Science. And today our topic is sensitivity in animals. Look at page number 22 in your textbook. Animals need to sense changes in their surrounding to be able to survive in their environments. Some animals are unicellular while others are multicellular. In multicellular, some are simple multicellular and some are complex multicellular. Simple organisms receive only general stimuli such as light or darkness, heat and cold. More developed animals have a highly specialized sensory system through which they receive information about their surrounding. They are able to react or respond quickly to these stimuli. मीन हम कह सकते हैं कि कुछ जानवर उसमें एक स्पेशल ऑर्गन होता है जो एनवायरनमेंट में स्टिमुलस को रिसीव करता है और उसके मुताबिक एक्शन लेता है, जबकि हाई डेवलप या मोर जिसको आप कह सकते हैं मोर डेवलप एनिमल्स में जानवरों में एक स्पेशल ऑर्गन होते हैं जिसको हम सेंसरी सिस्टम बोलते हैं और उसके ज़रिए वो एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस को वो रिसीव करते हैं और उसके मुताबिक रिस्पांस शो करते हैं. नाउ कम टू द अनदर टॉपिक विच इज़ कोऑर्डिनेशन. वी से कोऑर्डिनेशन द working together of all the organ and system of the body is called coordination. आप कह सकते हैं कोऑर्डिनेशन बाहमी राबिता, यानी जिस्म के तमाम आर्गन का तमाम सिस्टम का आपस में राबिता, बाहमी राबिता, that is called coordination. For this coordination, especially in animal and especially in human being, two systems are working. One is called nervous system and the other is called endocrine system. Now come to the topic nervous system. This system consists of brain, nerve and spinal cord, while endocrine system contain different endocrine gland which secrete some chemicals. So nervous system, if we talk about a nervous system, we call them nervous tissue. So these neurons work together with one another. Just like you can say, brain is very important part of the body coordination. Brain play a very important part in the body coordination as it receive message from muscles and sense organ and it send back message in return. This is how it control all the different parts of the body so that they can work together. और हम कह सकते हैं कि ब्रेन एक अहम हिस्सा है जो नर्व्स के ज़रिए, न्यूरॉन के ज़रिए मैसेज को रिसीव करता है तमाम सेंस ऑर्गन से और उसके मुताबिक फिर ऑर्डर वो दे देता है. यानी हम दूसरे अल्फाज में ये भी कह सकते हैं कि जिस्म के तमाम मोमेंट्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए ब्रेन एक अहम किरदार अदा करता है. Now the second point, which is called neuron. Neuron is the structural, look at the picture, is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. It have two parts. This is cell body, this is axon. Cell body and axon. These are the nucleus, cytoplasm and dendrites. So it receives message with the help of dendrites. We have two types of nerve cell. One is sensory nerve cell and the other one is a motor nerve cell. Sensory cell, it carry message from the sense organ to the brain and spinal cord, while motor nerve cell carry message from the brain and spinal cord to the muscle and gland. Another part of nervous system is spinal cord. Spinal cord. The base of the brain extends to the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a bundle of nerve cell which run down into the backbone. It receive message from sensory nerve cell and it gave order to the motor nerve cell. So it's lies between, it work between brain and sensory organ. If we talk about the endocrine system is also a part of coordination, but this is based on chemical substances called hormone, which are produced in a set of gland called the endocrine gland. And these are the gland which secrete some juice that is called hormone, and they are ductless, so they depend on blood, and they coordinate and control different parts of the body such as fear, happiness, blushing, etc. Responses to hormone may last for a few minutes or may go on for many years. The next topic is sense organ. The next topic is sense organ. Sense organ are specially developed part of the body which can detect stimuli such as light, sound, taste, touch or smell. These are made up of sensory cell. We have 5 senses, that is 1 hearing, 2 smell, 3rd sight, 4 taste and 5th touch. All these are detected by sense organ which send information to the brain. Now, detail of these will be in the next lecture, but your home assignment will be you have to start reading from page 22, 23, 24. This will be your home assignment. As well as to complete your task in your first term booklet, which is given according to these topics. Thank you.